Welcome to my channel. My name is Salentia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with I'm Cassie J Budgets and Blogs. I'll link her shop as well as our freebies down below, so you can grab them if you'd like. I did join a collaboration, and Hot Girl Summer was for 6 weeks. Today is the very last day for this collaboration, and so I brought my $20. Thank you, Budget with Taylor, for inviting me to participate. I will link the ladies down below who all participated, the giveaway, as well as the Ko-Fi shop, all through Budget with Taylor, so I will make sure she's linked. And I do need to get some change, so that's why I'm kind of looking around. Oh, I know exactly which one has money. Let me get to it. There we go. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, like I said, this has been 6 weeks. I decided, because there was 10 of us participating, to do 10 savings challenges. You know, I don't know if any of my savings challenges, any more savings challenges will be completed today. We're all in for a treat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whatever I can do, I will be very pleased with. I'm sure of it, because I just wanted to try. I just wanted to try. That's all I could do at this point, was give myself a nice opportunity to save some money. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, looks like we've got enough change over here for now. I kept these players cards for every week, just so that way I can make sure I have low amounts. And I'm not certain how many savings challenges I have left, but we're gonna see what we can do today. It is nighttime when I'm filming this, so I put up a lamp to kind of give myself some light, and I couldn't rest, so I don't know what, you know, life is just life, and I guess, and I said, well, let me just occupy this time. I saw this TikTok a while back that was saying, when you have nothing to do, you have something to do, and do something with it. Now, it doesn't have to be crazy. Say you're just can't rest. Now I'm recording a video. Like, I know that, you know, I don't want to scrub my whole bathroom down, but maybe I could, you know, wash my sink or something like that. But that's what she was talking about, in terms of you have a few minutes and take the time to, you know, do those little things. But there are things that you can do while you're doing nothing, if you so desire. Obviously, it's good to shut down. It is a very good thing, especially for people whose brains, like mine, just don't stop. It's a good idea to try and stop. But in this case, I was just like, man, I can just get up and record this video. And that's what I decided to do. We got a Miss Fortune and a flip again. Let's see. So we have $3 here. 1, 2, and 3. $2. 1, 2. Skip or double. See, $2. And $1. This one only needed $1. We finished a savings challenge. We completed the savings challenge. $1. Okay, so we have a little bit more cash. Let's see here. $1. Yep, we finished another one. Yes, we did, you guys. And this one only needs $1 more, so we're not even gonna flip this one. Are we making progress today? $2. 1, 2. This one needs quite a bit of money, so we'll see how that one goes. And this one, $2. 1, 2, 3. Get out of here. Oh my goodness. Okay. So that one's completed. This one's completed. This one's not. This one's completed. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you guys. Okay. So this is what I'm going to do. I don't know how much is left, but whatever we have left, we're going to distribute to the last savings challenge that may or may not be completed. That's okay. Let's go through and mark off these completed savings challenges, and I'll let you know which hottie made each savings challenge. This savings challenge is from Make Money, Save Money. And we're adding our last $1, 2, 3, $4 here. Perfect. Okay. This savings challenge saved me $1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, $15. Wonderful. And we're adding $3 to this savings challenge made by Budget with Taylor. 1, 2, 3. And this savings challenge saved me a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14. Okay, so this is the one that's not completed. We will come back to it. And this savings challenge is by Hot Beauty Budgets. We're adding $1, which is completing this savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12. Okay. And we're adding $1, $2, $3 to this savings challenge made by I Am Cassie J Budgets and Vlogs. This savings challenge saved me $20, $21, $22, $23, $24, $25. All right, so the other ones are completed, but since we are here, let's go ahead and discuss. This savings challenge is from me, Cynthia Budgets, and this one saved me a total of $12. We did count them up when we actually completed them. This savings challenge is by Hustle and Flows Co., and this one saved me $10. This savings challenge is from Income Babes, and it saved me $10. This savings challenge is from Sassy Beauty Budgets, and this one saved me $8. And this savings challenge is from Pink Chic Budget, and it saved me $8. All right, and we will go back to our other savings challenge, which is from Simply Tea Plans, and see what we can get completed for this savings challenge. Here's to hoping. So far we have $1, $2, $3, $4. So let's mark that off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And to complete the savings challenge, I need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You guys, we completed all 10 savings challenges in 6 weeks. Now, oh my God, I can't believe that happened. So what I did is I made all of my symbols $1. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this one I should have $16. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, $16. Okay, I put 10 savings challenges 6 weeks ago into this binder to get me rocking and rolling on the Hot Girl Summer 6-week collab, right? My goal was $20 a week. I think there was a couple weeks where I was able to put 25. So I think that helped me quite a bit. But making all of my symbols $1, I completed all of my savings challenges. All 10 of them are completed. I am so blown away right now. Ah, so excited. Okay. So what I'm going to do now is I am going to pull this money and I am going to count all of it up. I do have a couple of $20 bills sitting over here. I'm not certain exactly how I want to distribute this cash. I am trying to work on moving, and so what I was thinking is just setting it aside to purchase some things for my move. I'm not certain how well, I mean, that's a big ask of myself to hold on to this money to figure out what I want to purchase for my home, but because I did discard of a lot of things, I think it might be in my best interest to hang on to this cash for that reason. Oh my goodness, this one stack is wild. But I do kind of want to know. I guess I could calculate based on how much I stuffed each week. I'd have to go back and see, but let's just count up the cash because counting money is fun. Look at all these ones. Oh my goodness. Okay. Was that all of it? I believe it was all of it. Once again, ladies, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This has been a lot of fun. Like I said, you know, I kind of just eased my way into the save it portion. With this collaboration having so many awesome ways to uplift each other and ourselves, I'm glad that I participated, and I'm glad I did the best I could do. So that's where I'm at. Let's make sure we get a little stack of, I like the where it looks like you have a ton of money, even though it's really not, you know, a ton of money. Get some thumbnail pictures here, and then I'm gonna count up some of these ones and grab 20s. 1, 2, 3. Let's do this because I'm struggling here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's see here. I don't have my big paper clips here, but we'll go ahead and take a 20. And let's count up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. And this way I know this is stacks of 20, and I can use these to save later. That's what this the two $20 bills are for me to save for later. And let's count up how much we actually saved in 6 weeks using 10 savings challenges. Now, mind you, like I said, $1 each symbol. That means it's very low savings for each savings challenge, except for one was $25. So, but we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. I saved $130 in 6 weeks. Very small savings challenge goals, $8, $10, $12. Like I said, one of them was $25, but I did it. I completed 10 savings challenges. I am not going to sell myself short by minimizing this at all, because I feel like it is a huge accomplishment for me. Anytime I save anything, you all know what that have followed me or come back to see what's going on. I'm very proud of whatever I save and however I save it. I will be honest, I didn't think I was going to complete all of the savings challenges. I just thought, just go for it. And it worked out perfectly, where I saved $130 in 6 weeks. I'm blown away by that progress. Fantastic. I'd love to see it. I'm so glad that I decided to participate. And once again, Budget with Taylor, thank you so much for having me as part of this collaboration. It's fantastic. You know what? I think what I'll do, no, I'm not even going to put it into a binder. I think I'm just going to take it and put it into my savings, the one I don't touch, just in case I do find something. Usually with home items, I shop online. So there's that. I'm going to go ahead and put this money into my bank account and let it sit there until I need it, or I'm ready to buy some. I have some things in my cart, you guys. I'll be honest. I have some things in my cart. We'll see how everything goes. But wish me luck with all of this moving jazz. I am excited to see what happens in all of this going on. Got some good feedback and possibly working on some things, but that's it. But anyway, thank you all so much for coming back to see what is going on over here. And now that we've reached the finish line for this collaboration, you got to see what came of it. And I'm very proud. I can't stop smiling. I'm so excited that I accomplished this, that I did that. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.